guys, it's Anthony from RVing with Tucker. Did a little maintenance on the camper today. Did an oil change, and so I was cleaning up, wiping some of the oil off around the oil field. Went in to move the RV back to its spot in the in the driveway, and turned the key in, nothing, absolutely nothing. So for the last 45 minutes I have been freaking out, trying to figure out, thinking maybe I had touched a wire and shorted it, and so I get a multimeter out, tested everything, couldn't find anything wrong, still wouldn't start. So then, it's always the simplest things. I should have checked this first, but it was the positive terminal on the battery. And when I reached in and grabbed the positive terminal, the terminal came apart. It was so badly broken. So the positive terminal is just cracked. I'm not sure what happened there, if it was happened when the new battery was put in, but was able to get that back together. Did get the motorhome to start, which is a good sign. It was a big relief. I went by and got a set of terminal ends. This is a top post battery, and it is for some reason the positive side is a side post connection, so it already has a top post adapter. So I just went ahead and bought this 2-pack of top post adapters, so I can go ahead and replace that fitting and make sure that it doesn't happen again. But it is a load off my mind to know that it's nothing major. Once again, guys, I do want to thank you for watching our videos. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment. We'll talk to you guys later. God bless.